Hello guys, welcome to CGeeks. Today our topic is how you can split and merge names like you have first name and last name in MS Excel sheet. If you like our lesson, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. So working on Excel sheets, if you have large number of data like first names and last names, it's always difficult to combine these two columns in third one or to separate data which is in one cell like this one pen set. And if I want to separate these two words, this is always difficult when you do manually. So as a solution, we have the first one, merge formula, to merge the text which is in two cells or columns. Equal signs, then formula is concatenate, bracket, first name, comma, then the criteria which is space, then comma, then last name, bracket close. So let's try this formula. Creating two more columns. First we will merge, split, concatenate this one, then first name, comma, couple quotes, space, double quotes, comma, then last name, this one. This is D2, bracket close, hit enter. So as you observed that the data in this cell and this cell, first name and last names are combined. For whole data, we need to drag this formula. So as you are observing that the data between these two columns is combined now. So this is merging. So for splitting, we have another option. This is split. Data, then text to column option. Select the data which you want to split. Data, this tab, then text to column. So this is delimited, this option. I have currently fetching the formula. Simply I will copy this whole column, copy, pasting here, paste only values. So there will be no formula here. So in this is first name, let's make it, and then last name. Now this is text only, no formula here. Now we will split, then go to data tab, then text to column. Now we are observing that there is actual data. Select this option. Next, the criteria which is tab, select tab and then space. This is the actual criteria which resides between these two words. Then click next, then finish. So now you are observing that again we have splitted the data in this column like this one. Now first name and last name have been splitted automatically. So for splitting, there is another option. I will show you how to split again. Just I will remove this data. Create If you find difficulty in previous formula from data text to column option, then you have another trick which is very simple and amazing. Just type the first name of the first cell. This is Jardine. Type the second, manually type it, John. Now click here and simply press Ctrl+E. In this way, you have amazingly separated the first name, then click here and press Ctrl+E. So in this way you can split the amount, the data between these two words. So first name and last name have been splitted. So in this way exactly you can split the words which resides in one cell, like first name and last names. First names have been splitted and last names also. So today you have learned that how to merge first name and last name in this one with concatenate formula. Then you have another option which is for splitting, which is data and text to column options. And the third one is simply by pressing, first you need to type the exact first name manually and last name. Then you need to go to this column and then press Ctrl+E. Moreover, I will paste or write the splitting shortcut here, which is Ctrl+E after typing the first and last name manually. Three lessons are in today's tutorial. First one, merge formula, then splitting with data and text to column option, then Ctrl+E. Thanks guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel.